Good morning, children. I hope you must be fit and fine. Surely taking all the necessary initiatives to take care of yourself and your family during this difficult and unexpected time entered in our lives. Coming to the point, though we have already finished up with 2 chapters in our online sessions previously, now we'll start with our new chapter of English text. Chapter 3, named as Androssels and the Lion. Let's begin with the story of Androssels and the Lion. First of all, let me make you comfortable with some of the important aspects of the story before starting with its elaboration. A slave named Androssels once eluded from his master and get away to a forest. There, he helped a lion who was in need. Meanwhile, when Androssels was in trouble, the lion recognized the help provided by Androssels to it and showed its thankfulness towards Androssels. Hence, it clearly proved that a friend in requirement is a friend undoubtedly. Now let us read the following story of Androssels and the Lion in detail. I will mark out one paragraph and then explain it to you moving on ahead. Let's begin with the first paragraph starting from there lived up to the point master's house. A young slave named as Androssels lived in North Africa. His master was a heartless man. He used to take as much amount of work he wants to be done from him, but doesn't give him sufficient food to eat. Although Androssels always complied the order given by his master, still the master oftentimes beat him mostly. Thus, Androssels came to the way to run away from his master's house to save himself from his cruelty. Now we'll move on to the next paragraph starting from one night up to the point towards him. In this paragraph, what we get to know is that Androssels ran away from his master's house when everyone was sleeping. He kept on running since he entered into a forest. He was exhausted and sat down under a tree to feel relaxed for some time. Surprisingly, he listened to a lion's roaring. The lion was moving towards him. Moving on further, we'll talk about from he was frightened up to the point watching the fight. He was afraid of the lion. Androssels was quite doubtless about the fact that the lion would kill him. Then he just simply closed his eyes and waited for his death. But the lion didn't harm him and stand near him hearing a sigh and dusting his claw. After that, Androssels came with an idea and went near to the lion. He saw blood on the lion's claw. He then found a big thorn being stuck in the lion's claw. So he quietly took out the thorn from his claw and cleaned the injury. With the Androssels' help, Lion was free from his pain and went away into the forest happily. After a long period of 2 years, Androssels was seen by the Roman soldiers in the forest and being arrested and brought to Rome. Traditionally, in Rome, at that time, slaves were punished very badly. With its reference, one of the punishment was to fight with wild animals. The heartless Romans enjoyed watching these fights. Nextly, we move on to the paragraph of Androssels was brought up to the point. As soon as the cage was opened, the lion rushed towards the Androssels. In this paragraph, emphasizing out this tradition, Androssels was brought to a big stage to fight with a hungry lion. A large number of people collected in the stadium to witness the cruel sport. Androssels then thought that it would be his last day. He was standing in the middle of the stadium waiting for the lion for the fight. The lion was brought in a cage in the stadium and kept far away from Androssels. As fast as the car opened, the lion ran towards it. Nextly, we move on to the paragraph. The crowd cheered and waited for the fight. All the people present over there were cheering out with joy and waiting for the fight to be started. But when the lion reached to Androssels, smelt him and started lapping his feet. Then Androssels get to know that the lion who had been presented for the fight among him was the same to whom he had helped in the forest. All the people that were present over there were speechless to see the visuality among them. They thought that the lion would not kill Androssels at any cost. Seriously, it was surprising prize that Androssels received from the lion. After some time, the lion jumped upon Androssels with joy and started playing with him. The Roman king, who had witnessed this unexpected scene of the Androssels and the lion, narrated the whole story to the emperor. We move on to the next paragraph, starting from the emperor up to the point, free men. The emperor was so touched by Androssels' kindness towards animals that he decided to compensate him with money along with his freedom. With this reward, Androssels was no longer a servant but a released man. What actually the moral we owned from this story was that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Basically, the idea here is that when someone is going through a tough time, a true friend will always there to support him because they provide to help him in a time of need. They showed themselves to be a real friend. Thus, we have finished up with the explanation of the chapter Androssels and the lion. Now, I am going to mark out the hard words which you have to do it in your English text notebook with your chapter number, chapter name and heading hard words. Hard words should be done twice by you. First of all, Androssels. After that, remembered, gratitude. After that, decided, obeyed, suddenly. Moving on to the next page, frightened, punishments, custom, stadium, unbelievable and emperor. These all are the hard words which you have to done in your notebook. After the hard words on the another page, you have to do the word meanings which have been given on page number 26 under the subtitle Enrich Your Vocab. Slave, severely, roar, frightened, groaning, approached, wiped, wound, custom, stunned. Do all the given work in a neat and clean handwriting. Any query regarding the explanation of the chapter or the work which I have given to you, you can ask on my personal window. Okay students, thank you.